We just got a very big surprise, y'all. By the way, welcome back to another video, y'all. My Nickelodeon slime came in the mail today. The reason why I bought this, because of my obsession with Nickelodeon. By the way, we are giving in a rare shout out to Paramount, to the official Paramount YouTube channel for today's unboxing video. I can't wait to open this, y'all. Got some scissors. Now it's time to cut it open, y'all. Can't wait to see what's inside. Now you can just rip it out. See, y'all. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I just heard the doorbell when I was watching some videos on YouTube, y'all. Isn't this so exciting? I know. Is that an opening? No, it isn't. Let's try opening this. I'm gonna go get some more scissors, y'all. Here it is, y'all. The most exciting thing you're ever gonna see. I'm gonna count to 10. I'm gonna count in 10 seconds. All right, y'all? 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see what's inside, y'all. We just bought Nickelodeon slime.
I like slimes.
It's made by the Play-Doh company. It's so exclusive,
I smell
y'all.
like paint.
Are you sure, Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is super rare, y'all. The reason why I bought Nickelodeon slime is to promote the orange Splat logo. You know, the one from 1985 to 2009, and then in the new one we have today. But this is very rare. It feels like I'm gonna get slimed in the Kids' Choice Awards, y'all. Yeah. If I was in the Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards 2024, I would get splatted by the green slime. By the way, this is what the packaging looks like in the back. Yeah, you can see the boy stretching with the orange slime, with the Nickelodeon slime. By the way, let's open it. Yeah, my dad told me to not get slime on the couch because it can be really difficult to remove slime from the couch. Now we got it out of its wrapper. Now we're gonna go get the logo off. Man, this is super rare, y'all. Let's get this thing open. Hang on. How does this thing open? Instructions. Okay, that's what I just found. Oh wait, it just slides off. Easy. Just slides out of the box. And there's a box with the Nickelodeon logo. And now, the most exciting thing ever, y'all. It's time to open it in 3, 2, 1. Hang on a minute. Come on. How does this thing open? Wait a minute, what the heck is this? Are you sure this thing can open? Why does this have screwdrivers? I think it's gonna be really difficult to open, y'all. By the way, I left the smooth on. I just got it open, y'all. Man, that was really difficult. Yo, I can barely see the orange slime now. Yeah. You know when the Nickelodeon bumpers where they said, "We'll be right splat"? That's what it said. Okay. Look at this, y'all. Ta-da! Oh no, we got an inflated ball in the slime. Yeah. Man, this is like super rare. Plus, I could barely feel my fingers while touching it. I'm gonna pop this bubble. There we go, we popped it. Man, it was like growing when we bought it. Man, this is super cool, y'all. Let me go get my SpongeBob plushie. Be right back. Looks like my SpongeBob characters, my SpongeBob toys are about to get slime. Here are the kids' choice awards. Right on back. Whoa. It's a sticky situation. Get this off. Alright. Get ready to be slimed, SpongeBob. Look at SpongeBob go, y'all. He's in the slime. OMG, y'all. SpongeBob and Patrick are enjoying the slime right now. Even Gary, too. I'm gonna put all my SpongeBob toys in there I got from Easter last year. I think Mr. Krabs is gonna enjoy the money in there. Yeah. Let's put Sandy Cheeks and Plankton in. I don't want to put my actual SpongeBob plushie there because it can be difficult to remove slime from plushies. OMG, look how slimed Gary is! Man, almost all my SpongeBob figurines are getting slimed. Wow. Man, Patrick is so slimed. By the way, happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. We are going to celebrate your favorite SpongeBob character, Patrick, from the show. Because today is St. Patrick's Day. See how much slime did they get? Oh, geez, Squidward is trapped. OMG, I don't think Squidward can get out. There we go, Squidward pulled himself out. Go pull the slime, push the slime in. Man, this is so smooth. The only ones left is SpongeBob, Sandy, and Gary. I bet they're enjoying the pool, the slime of Nick. Wow. Let's see. Let's check on SpongeBob, y'all. Man, SpongeBob looks completely fine. But he's slimed. Oh no, Gary's slimed too. Yeah, by the way, snails contain slimes. Let's see if SpongeBob can pull himself out. Oh no, SpongeBob can't pull himself out. Try, SpongeBob. And there he goes. He pulled himself out with some slime left over. There we go. Go get these slime off with me. I think SpongeBob is so slimed. Man, look how slimed SpongeBob is. Man, SpongeBob is sure pretty slimed. Let's check on Gary. Man, look at Gary, y'all. No slime after all on Gary. Looks like Gary won the slime pool challenge. Looks super slimy. It's slimier than Play-Doh. Let's go close up the lid. And boom. Wow, that was so much fun. Enjoying Nickelodeon's orange slime. I might play with this all day tomorrow. By the way, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Link in the comments and turn on your notifications. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.